magic. That's amazing. No, this is really lifting.
Accidentally incinerated your partner's favourite pan.
Borrowed your best friend's favourite outfit, then spilt Shiraz down her top. We can help, or at least Katie can. Katie is going to come to the rescue of people who have accidentally scuffed, stained or scorched something. Welcome to Absolute Filth. Emma, welcome to the Absolute Filth laboratory. Now, what's in this box?
These are my wedding shoes. They are ivory satin wedding shoes.
And how long have they been in this box?
15 years?
Okay, shall we take a look at them?
Yeah. Go.
Oh! Yeah. Right, okay. Have you tried to have these cleaned?
I haven't tried to have them professionally cleaned. I tried cleaning them once when we got back from honeymoon, and I was so worried that I was going to scuff the surface because they're real satin, that I ended up giving up and putting them back in the box. And I don't know, hoping that magically they would clean themselves.
Just through shame alone.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's quite a challenge for Katie. How confident are you feeling?
Do you know what? Even if it doesn't work, they have been in a box for 15 years and I'll survive, but I really would love to have them back in service. So I'm going to keep my fingers tightly crossed.
We will do our very best.
Thank you.
Thanks for bringing them in. See you soon. Katie, how are you feeling about tackling these precious wedding shoes?
Fairly confident, but pretty nervous at the same time. So if I mess this up, I'm going to lose a friend for life, not to mention all the recipe inspiration, and the guilt. So there's a lot riding on this.
Let's get going then.
So the first step with these, we're going to take a couple of soft bristle toothbrushes, and we're literally going to try and just scrub away any dirt that we can. So we're going to, after that, move on to the sole last. The reason we're doing that last is because I don't want the toothbrush to get dirty from the sole and then just scrub it into the satin.
Oh, look at that, it is coming off.
Yeah, it's quite stubborn, but it is coming off. And you want to do that while dry, because if it was wet, you basically, it's going to be harder to flick off, isn't it? So dry dirt is actually easier to break away when there's no moisture to it. So
this dirt's been on here for a long time though.
Yes, 15 years of dry dirt. But if this dirt could talk, the memories.
It's probably a good thing they can't.
So it takes time, but we're doing it like this because it's gentle, we don't want to do any damage. If you tried to scrape this away with something plastic, it probably would be faster, but it's liable to scratch the soles. So we just want to be persistent and use a soft bristle brush really for this part. That's all good, and then we move on to the actual cleaning. Before we actually wash the satin, we're going to do some baby wipes on the soles to get rid of that extra bit of mud.
Just the soles?
Yeah, just the soles. Don't put it on any of the satin. The reason we're doing this now is just in case any of the mud gets rubbed up into the satin. You wouldn't want to clean the satin, clean the soles, and then have your satin work reversed immediately.
No.
So we're just going to try and get rid of some of that excess mud while we can.
Give it a go?
Yeah, go for it.
And why baby wipes and not something stronger?
Because they're so soft. I'm not worried really about damage here, although we obviously want to avoid the satin as but look, you can see that's coming away.
Oh, yours is much better than mine. You're giving more elbow grease, I think. Ooh, check it out, Katie.
Next step, this is when we're going to wash the satin.
High stakes.
Exactly.
So this is the moment of truth, right? What are we going to do now?
We're going to mix up the soapy solution. So this is just a little bowl of cold water. We're going to add a couple of drops of mild detergent designed for delicates, and we're going to combine it to make a little soapy solution.
Okay, so just a couple of drops. We don't want to go crazy here.
Just a couple of drops. You could take it as high as, I'd say, 1 part detergent to say 5 parts water. And some people even go as far as 1 part detergent to 3 parts water. But for me, that's very strong.
Yeah.
Also, I don't want to do anything we're going to later regret. So it's better if we start weak and then increase the solution's strength if we have to.
Okay. I feel quite nervous about this bit. Shall I give it a stir?
Yes, whisk it like you're doing scrambled eggs.
I feel like Mary Berry.
So that's our solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to each take fresh brushes, or you could wash the ones you were using. So we're going to take a shoe each, and what we're going to do is we're each going to dunk our toothbrushes Don't just put it straight on the shoe because you don't want to oversaturate the shoe. We're going to like squeeze out the excess. So we just want the brush to be damp at this point. And then we're going to work our way in small circular motions. So just gently scrub all the way to the edges because we want to prevent watermarks. And just do the stains at this point. You're not sort of covering over the entire area.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's coming off already.
Katie, that is magic. Do you feel like the fairy godmother to Cinderella here? You shall go to the ball.
Oh, I'm just terrified it's going to stain. We'll just see. Fingers crossed.
Really gently.
Yeah, no scrubbing, no rubbing.
So look, it's definitely, there are spots that are really shifting, almost immediately. Some of them are more stubborn.
I think the mud's coming off straight away, but some of them might be scuffs, and that's going to be a bit more. It might even be that's where one shoe's hit another because it's on the inside.
Oh yeah.
You ever get that on your boots?
That's a dancing injury, isn't it?
Yes.
Ah, no, this is really lifting.
Oh,
That's magic.
working, yeah?
Yeah.
At least it looked better than it did. That's the main.
Much better.
So next
Born
step, you mentioned a moment ago you're worried about watermarks.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to try and prevent now. We're going to take some white microfiber cloths. We're going to dip them into just plain water, cold water. We're going to rinse them out. You want them just to be damp. We don't want to be wet. But then we want them basically to wipe them over the surface, wiping away, downwards. Basically, we're removing the soap suds.
Okay, and it has to be white.
Yeah, I want it to be white in this case. I mean, while the microfiber cloths I have at home are quite old and trustworthy, I just don't want any dye to somehow spread onto the shoes. It's very unlikely, but you know, you never
Be pretty
know. So
catastrophic.
I'm just taking every precaution here, really. So we're just gonna get all the water out we can.
Are you doing circles now? Or are
No,
you
no, I'm wiping downwards. We don't need to push. I mean, there's no dirt to wipe in anyway, but it's more to get rid of the soap suds. So I'm just wiping it off and then switching to a fresh part of the cloth. Because otherwise you're going to just keep wiping soap in. But we want to sort of cover the whole shoe in this instance to avoid watermarks drying in and showing up along them. And leave them out to dry. I wonder if she can tell who's cleaned which.
Oh, stop it! How long are we leaving them out for?
To be honest, because they're hard satin, I think they should be drying a few hours in the sun, if that. So hopefully by the end of the day.
Time for a quick cocktail. Emma, welcome back.
Thank you.
How have the last couple of hours been for you?
I've been surprisingly anxious, actually.
Have you?
Yeah, I didn't realise how much these shoes meant to me actually until the possibility of having them back got dangled in front of me. So I'm really hoping that Katie's been able to work her magic.
Bad news. No, I'm joking.
Should we just leave the lid on?
You don't want to see the remains. Are you ready to open it? We'll let you do the honours.
Oh. Oh, look, it's paper.
It's sealed. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, you've managed to get so much of that mud staining off of them. Look at that. You'd hardly know I'd been an inch of mud. That's amazing.
We couldn't get everything off,
I'm not surprised after 15 years.
but it's really improved.
They're so much better than they were. So good. Look at that.
At least you're happy with them.
Yeah, that's incredible. Maybe even get them dyed. Nice colour to match one of my frocks.
Or renew your vows and invite Katie and I. It was a real pleasure.
Yeah.
And I hope you get another 15 years of wear out of them.
Absolutely.
Just don't wear them in a field.
Yeah, no fields.
No fields.
No Glastonbury.
No fields.